All right, guys, got it put in here. I had to go down and get a couple of different couplers because I didn't have the right size. I didn't have the tool to swell it, so I got the ones that fit nice. So I just slip it over and weld it up. But it's in there. Wrapped it with extra insulator so it doesn't get messed up, and I'm going to get a cover for that as well. So I ran it all the way down the frame rail. Still haven't got to my exhaust repair yet, but I'll get there. We're going to go play with this. We're going to turn this thing on and see what it sounds like. My handy dandy remote here, and I just went through the floorboard right down here. Just there's a plug, you just pull it and you run right through here, and it's right up to the cigarette lighter. So that's how the thing runs off of. It's shut now. Go ahead and fire it up. It's shut. Grab the key here. That's closed. Hit the open button. Off. That's closed. Now let's open it. Try it again. Sounds a little better. Turn it off. We got our partial here. So half and half. That should be 50-50. Full open. I'm going to close it for a second. Make sure I open it all the way. There we go. It didn't go all the way. Not too shabby. Probably going to sound a lot better once I get it on the ground. It's way up off the ground right now. But